How to build a one-person AI agency in 2026. What if I told you that right now in 2026, one person with a laptop, Wi-Fi, and a few AI tools is quietly making $8,000 to $15,000 per month, while most people are still debating whether ChatGPT is better than Gemini? No employees, no office, no coding degree, just leverage. And today, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint so you can build your own one-person AI agency from scratch. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn the one offer that's dominating 2026, the exact no-code tech stack to deliver it, how to land your first $5,000 per month client in under 30 days, and how to turn that single client into recurring income that compounds. If you're serious about making money with AI instead of just consuming AI content, this is for you. Let's start with why 2026 is the perfect window. 2025 was hype. Everyone experimented. Everyone played. But 2026? This is the monetization year. Business owners are no longer asking, what is AI? They're asking, how do I use this to make more money immediately? That shift changes everything. Because when a roofer, dentist, HVAC company, or real estate agency believes AI equals revenue, budgets open up. And here's the opportunity. Most local businesses are still terrible at lead follow-up. They miss calls. They forget to text back. They let expensive Facebook and Google leads go cold. Every missed call is lost revenue. That's where your agency steps in. Not as a cool automation person, but as a revenue partner. That positioning alone can 3 times what you charge. So what's the offer? Simple. AI voice dialers plus automated lead follow-up. That's it. No complicated services, no 12 deliverables. You run ads or plug into their existing lead flow. When a lead comes in, an AI voice agent calls within 60 seconds. It qualifies the lead, answers objections, books directly into their calendar, and sends confirmation texts. 24/7. No sick days, no missed calls. One HVAC client of this model jumped from 12 appointments a month to over 40 in the first 30 days. When you can tie your service directly to booked appointments, price becomes secondary. Now, here's how you package it. Option 1, monthly rental, $850 to $2,500 per month, depending on niche. Option 2, larger setup fee, $10,000 to $30,000 upfront for bigger operations. Option 3, revenue share, 20 to 30% of booked jobs. That last one is powerful because it removes risk for the client and aligns incentives. But this is where the real game begins. None of this matters if you can't actually build it quickly. So let's talk about tools. You do not need to code. You do not need developers. Your core system starts with Go High Level. It's your CRM, landing page builder, calendar system, SMS engine, and pipeline dashboard all in one. Everything lives there. Then you plug in an AI voice platform like Synthflow, Vapi, or Retail AI. These tools let you create human-sounding voice agents in minutes. You define the script, the qualification questions, the booking logic, and it handles the rest. To connect everything, use Make.com or N8N. When an appointment is booked, it updates the CRM, sends confirmation messages, and notifies the business owner. For hyper-realistic voices, 11 Labs or Play.ht can clone or enhance brand tone. For scripting and ad copy, use Gemini or Claude. That's your entire tech stack. Monthly cost? Often under a few $100s to service multiple clients. Translation? Your margins are massive. But here's the shift most people completely overlook. Software doesn't pay you, clients do. So the real question is, how do you sign them quickly? The first 30 days determine everything. Week 1 is warm outreach. Message local businesses directly on Instagram and Facebook. Keep it short. Compliment their business, ask if they're satisfied with missed calls or follow-up speed, and offer a quick audit. Don't sell in the DMs. Just open the loop. Week 2. Run simple Facebook ads targeting local business owners, offering a free AI lead leak audit. Small budget. Simple landing page inside Go High Level. Book 15-minute calls. Week 3. Close on Zoom. Show them exactly how many leads they're losing. Show the math. If they get 100 leads and only respond to 40 quickly, what's that costing them? When they see lost revenue in real numbers, your $1,200 per month feels small. Then say, "We can fix this in 48 hours. Want to see a demo?" Confidence closes deals, not complexity. Now, let's talk about what actually builds wealth. Because landing a client is exciting, but keeping them month after month is where the real money is made. After 30 days, send a simple revenue report. Here's how many calls were answered. Here's how many appointments were booked. Here's estimated revenue generated. When clients see direct ROI, churn drops dramatically. Then ask for a testimonial and offer a referral incentive. One solid testimonial in a local niche can multiply into 5 more clients quickly because business owners talk. This is how you compound without constantly chasing new leads. Here's the part nobody talks about. Once the system is live, it barely needs you. 2 hours per week per client checking dashboards. 1 strategy call per month. That's it. The AI handles the repetitive work. You focus on optimization and relationships. That's the beauty of leverage. Build once, rent forever. Instead of trading hours for dollars, you're renting automated infrastructure. That's the mental shift from freelancer to agency owner. Now, let's talk about scaling to $10,000 per month and beyond, without hiring a team, without burning out, and without turning your freedom business into another full-time job. The first move is simple, but most people avoid it. Raise your prices for new clients. Not immediately, and not blindly, but once you have proof, testimonials, screenshots, revenue reports, your positioning changes. You're no longer trying something with AI, you're running a system that works. And when your confidence increases, your pricing should reflect it. If you started at $1,200 per month, your next client should be $1,800, then $2,500. You don't need more clients to hit $10,000. You need better pricing and stronger positioning. 5 clients at $2,000 per month is $10,000. That's manageable. That's clean. That's controlled growth. Second, introduce revenue share deals. This is where upside explodes. When you say, "I'll take 20% of every booked job," you remove friction. The client feels safe because you're tied to performance. But here's the part they don't always calculate. If your AI system generates $80,000 in additional revenue, your 20% becomes $16,000 from one client in 1 month. Revenue share aligns incentives and unlocks scale without adding workload. You're not doing more work, the system is simply producing more output. Third, productize what you've already built. This is leverage stacking. You already created onboarding checklists, AI call scripts, follow-up sequences, ad templates, CRM snapshots. Instead of keeping those buried inside your agency, package them into a done-for-you AI agency kit. Sell access. Sell templates. Sell a mini course walking through your exact setup. The beauty here? It doesn't increase your service hours. It turns your knowledge into an asset. Now you have service income plus digital product income built from the same core skill. One engine, multiple revenue streams. That's how you scale without hiring, not by adding complexity, but by extracting more value from what already works. Before we wrap, let me shift your mindset one more time. Don't think of yourself as starting an agency. Think of yourself as installing revenue engines for businesses. Engines that work 24/7. Engines that don't complain. Engines powered by AI. When you see it that way, confidence rises. Because you're not selling fluff, you're selling measurable growth. So here's your action plan. Step 1. Choose the AI voice plus lead follow-up offer. Step 2. Set up your Go high-level foundation and connect a voice AI platform. Step 3. Start outreach within 7 days. Not next month, not after another tutorial. This week. Momentum is everything. And if this opened your eyes to what's possible with AI right now, you're going to love the next video. Because in the next breakdown, I'm showing you exactly how I created a $10,000 per month faceless YouTube channel using only free AI tools. No filming myself, no expensive gear. Just strategy, automation, and smart content leverage. If building an AI agency is service leverage, the faceless YouTube model is attention leverage. And when you combine both, that's when things get interesting. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready! The next video is the full blueprint. How I created a $10,000 per month faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools. The AI wave isn't coming, it's here. The only question is whether you ride it or watch others do it. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build.